Most people never see this part. The part where every decision matters. Because when your work is out in the open, it has to be right. Every load is different. Every securement has a purpose. Every stop is another inspection. Every mile is earned. Not everyone's work is visible, but yours is. Every load, every mile, every day. For the professionals whose work is always on display, we built something worthy of you. Built lighter, so every load can do more, because every pound saved is more payload gained. Built stronger, so you can spend more time moving freight and less time in the shop, because uptime matters. Built smarter, giving fleets better visibility and drivers greater confidence, because better decisions start with better information. Built safer, protecting drivers, cargo, and the reputation you've worked hard to build, because every load carries responsibility. Ultra light, ultra strong, ultra safe, ultra smart. Go Ultra. Freedom Ultra, built to help fleets move more freight, work more efficiently, and perform at their best.